short phrases. آپ اس کی فکر نہ کیجیے. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. معاف کیجیے گا. Pardon me. Pardon me. سفر مبارک. A pleasant journey. A pleasant journey. کیا آپ سمجھے؟ Do you understand? Do you understand? آپ سے میری گزارش ہے. I request you. I request you. جتنی جلدی ممکن ہو سکے. As early as possible. As early as possible. آپ نے کیا کہا؟ What did you say? What did you say? کیا حالات ہیں؟ کیا حالات حال چال ہے؟ How are the things? How are the things? بہت خوب. آپ کا شکریہ. Very well. Thank you. Very well. Thank you. میں کیا کہوں؟ What shall I say? What shall I say? تشریف رکھیے. Be seated please. Be seated please. اپنا ہی گھر سمجھے. Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. کیا میں آپ کا نام پوچھ سکتا ہوں؟ May I know your name? May I know your name? آپ میرے ہم نام ہیں. You are my namesake. You are my namesake. آپ کو دیکھ کر خوشی ہوئی. Glad to see you. Glad to see you. آپ کیسے تشریف لائے؟ What brings you here? What brings you here? آپ کس سے ملنا چاہتے ہیں؟ Who do you want to see you? Who do you want to see? Who do you want to see? آپ کس سے ملنا چاہتے ہیں؟ کیا آپ انگریزی بول سکتے ہیں؟ Can you speak English? Can you speak English? جی ہاں میں انگریزی بول سکتا ہوں. Yes, I can speak English. Yes, I can speak English. وہ تمہارا کیا لگتا ہے؟ What is he to you? What is he to you? کیا آپ کچھ پئیں گے؟ Would you have anything? Would you have anything? یہ تو آپ کی نوازش ہے. It's your vouchsafe. It's your vouchsafe. آپ باہر چلے. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. آپ باہر کب جا رہے ہیں؟ When are you going abroad? When are you going abroad? آپ اتنے غمگین کیوں ہیں؟ Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? آپ کیا تلاش کر رہے ہیں؟ What are you looking for? What are you looking for? آپ دیر سے کیوں آئے؟ What makes you late? What makes you late?